That's you?
Zach.
Hey.
Hi.
You're not Chris?
No.
Whoever you are, keep your ass off the land, hear me? This your land?
No.
No. Hey, who's this guy? Hey, where do you go? What? Turn that off right now. Turn that off, guys. Hey, this your land?
Back there, so it's
Hey.
supposed to be shared.
Hey, this ain't your land. I told your dad, I don't want motorcycles on our land.
Oh, he didn't tell me that.
Yeah, well, I'm telling y'all, okay?
Yep.
Don't be driving up and down on the land here, guys.
All right.
Wrong thing.
Yeah, we've been doing it for a while.
I
We
don't
didn't
drive
know.
on Chris's land, do I?
No.
Don't be running these motorcycles up here. The horses don't like it, the deer don't like it, and I don't like it, and he doesn't like it. So he knows you guys don't belong, okay? I saw your tracks back there. You know, sometimes he wants to hunt. My grandson right there, he wants to hunt. Running these motorcycles up here doesn't help the deer. They want to get the hell away from here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all understand, so you understand why I'm a little upset.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want that. And whoever's hunting back there, they may just shoot your ass.
Yeah.
I'm not going to shoot you. But somebody else may get mad enough. Yeah, because there's people that could hunt on the other side of our land back there.
Yeah.
So you want to really, during deer season, don't be pissing off people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No?
I think it's dead.
What? Really? No, just put it in. Just put it in neutral.
By the way, this guy right here, Nathan, the grandson, he wanted to go deer hunting back there. But after seeing the tracks, I knew that this was not a good day. And then you guys come and like, wow. So y'all did mess up his deer hunting.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
So technically, well, his mom owns part of this land. So okay, guys.
All right, sorry.
Hey, Nate.
We need to get home.
Yeah. Are you shitting bricks right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I didn't do that. Don't try to hit me. Please do. So are you. You're really gonna be a kid about that? You're gonna be a kid calling me stupid? Well, I'm just trying to have fun. I didn't do that. I was riding with another kid. Sure. That wasn't me. I was riding with another kid. Not mine. Yeah.